How to enable Cloudflare on your domain via cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click on the Cloudflare icon. Click to sign in and enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. There are two options available here. The first option, CNAME Setup, does not require you to point your DNS name servers to Cloudflare. The second option, Full Zone Setup, requires you to change your domain name servers to Cloudflare DNS. Here Cloudflare becomes authoritative DNS. You can see that Cloudflare is inactive on the domain. Let's first provision it with CNAME Setup. Now Cloudflare is active on the domain. These are our DNS records. Ones which are on, are run into Cloudflare. If you want to enable some of them as well, just click to enable and it is now on Cloudflare. Let's go back to the Cloudflare interface and select the second option, Full Zone Setup. You can see that status is pending. It will take up to 24 hours to process the changes. Unlike CNAME Setup, you are required to change your domain name servers to Cloudflare DNS. The Cloudflare domain name servers are displayed here. Thank you for watching.